Hey guys, I suppose you are already really tired after all these presentations and speaking in different language that you know and that I know, so I will be quick. So, the Code Curriculum IT communities in Brno. In Brno, Brno is famous for the IT communities. Brno is something like Silicon Valley of the Central Europe. So the whole IT in the Central Europe happens in Brno. We've got the Python Czech conference going yearly in Brno. There are a lot of other Python-related events close to Brno as well. So if you go to Brno, you have pretty large chance to meet some Python-related event. I will share that presentation later on, so you can see those events and Google them. Now I want to go really quickly because the pizza is over there, and everyone wants to drink beer and go to pee, I suppose. So there are Python meetups as well in Brno for 5 years already, so they are as old as the Python meetups here. We meet every month, and usually like 7 people go and drink beer and talk about Python. We've got plenty of Python education-related events and activities in Brno as well. So we've got this intensive KiwiCon Python weekends. Everyone can apply. PyLadies, we are teaching girls Python, Python hackathons, the intensive 24, 48 hours doing nothing just but Python. There are rising up some private schools, private Python schools in Brno as well. Golang meetups, who of you likes Golang? Raise your hands. Yeah, at least some. So Golang, there are Golang meetups going quite often in Brno. There is quite large community about Golang, people who like this steampunk of programming. Docker meetups, yeah, also like quite a large community of people interested in containers, meet quite often in Brno and talk about containers and Docker. And there's plenty of other meetups going in Brno and meeting regularly, like machine learning, MATLAB, DevOps, functional programming, and all these people. Brno is the place with the highest density of IT guys in the whole Czech Republic. So if you are into IT and programming, Brno is the place to go. Yeah, there are other meetups, JavaScript meetups, so anyone into front end, in Brno there are communities into these activities as well. Also data science and PHP meetups. Yeah, data view. Yeah, exactly. You go to talk about data science, and usually the internal part of all these meetups and activities is plenty of beer. We like beer in the Czech Republic. There are competitions as well. So currently in kiwi.com we run 2 competitions. Data challenge, we gave away our data from Kiwi about the flight delays, and we let people predict the delays in the future. And the ones with the best predictions got some good flight ticket vouchers. At the same we have now with the traveling salesman challenge. I suppose all of you are familiar with the traveling salesman problem. It's a tough problem. We are like handling that problem quite now. If you want to know more, talk to our developers. And yeah, also like we are searching for a team who can help us to solve that problem, and that team gets the trip around the world. Also, there are plenty of hackathons going on quite often, so we can just spend the weekend and coding. Yeah, a bit about Brno. Brno is like really central of Europe. It's the place really close to 3 major capitals, Vienna, Bratislava, and Prague. So within 2 hours by car, you can be in those capitals. And Budapest and Krakow is also really close. So it's a good meeting point for all the people from all around, because it's well facilitated with hotels and all stuff, and it's very easy to get from those places. Yeah, competition, that's what I wanted to go. We have prepared this competition. It's a reward for you who stayed here to the very last end, and especially for those who listened carefully, because the questions are from the speakers. So those who listened are gonna have a big chance to win €100 flight voucher as the first prize, or the 75 for the second prize, or 50 for the third prize, and then we got plenty of these €10 vouchers as well for the 4th to 10th place. So how is it gonna go? I would like all of you to take your smartphones or computers and go to kahoot.it. That's important. That's important.
Yep. Kahoot it. Yes. Just a second.
Kahoot.id. And wait for the pin. So who is still trying to get there? Oh yeah, you've got the music. So, this is the pin number.
Yep, come on. Oh yeah, we got some. Yeah, nice.
Here are the prizes, so we've got it here. In this competition, not only correct answers matter, but the time as well. So try to be as quick as possible.
It's getting intense.
Ah, it's quite much loud. Who is still struggling? Can we start? Raise your hand who is still struggling to get in. Okay. 1 more minute.
I guess 30 seconds. 30 seconds.
Can we go?
Well, I guess we should go. Yeah.
Yeah, let's go.
Well, guys, if everyone can go online in due times, we are sorry. Yeah, it works for most of us. Yep, let's go.
Let's go. So the first question is going to be really easy. Just to know how it works. What is kiwi.com?
No, you type in the answer. Yes.
Fruit reseller.
So yeah, there is test.
New Zealand.
Yeah, you answer a test. You don't cry like crazy. You have tests.
Yeah,
Be quiet. Don't look into each other's screens. I'm looking. Don't look into each other's screens. Yeah. So no picking. No picking here. Oh, most of people know. Oh, yeah. Who is this one guy?
Basic religious languages, come on.
Yeah. Okay.
Remember, €100 flight ticket at kiwi.com.
And 100 points for your state exam. You remember it.
Don't troll it. How many nationalities do we have in kiwi.com?
Oh, did you tell about it?
Yes, at the very beginning.
Yeah? I don't know. I can't. Don't ask me. I don't know. Who was attentive? I wasn't. I don't know. Really. Oh,
Good job.
Yeah. Cool.
What is the most favorite fruit to eat in kiwi.com offices?
Oh, well, it should be one like
that was quick.
in my mind there is like one of those should be, but you don't have that much of that in Czech Republic, right? So you have more of another one, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So
Banana.
why not kiwis? I don't know.
The last one from the easy ones. How many capitals can you reach from Brno within 2 hours by car?
Oh.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Mm. That's a great question. Number 4, yeah. So some tricky questions here you have. Yeah.
Yes.
Because like is Australia capital? I'm not sure.
So it's pretty fierce at the top.
Come on.
Deska Cassandra support transactions. First from the real talks.
That's a real question now, yeah?
Yes.
Now we have something real happening. You get 0 for your state exam if you peek into each other's screens. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. We didn't decide. Yes. Someone didn't listen
The
very
first
carefully.
seller winning. Well, this is very close between the second and third. All right. Does Cassandra support secondary indexes? Yes, it does.
It is. Yeah, someone thought that all the government.
Amber still first. Which language is Cassandra written in?
Why do you cry? You want others to know all the answers? We got sound again, by the way, yeah? It's cool. It's like playing Mario, but with Python. Playing on Python Mario, right? Okay. Yeah.
Java.
Yeah, so most of people know it. Okay.
Second half.
Oh, most of people didn't remember that. Sorry guys. Oh, but Mr. Burst is the most attentive. Listen, yeah.
How to match files to be checked recursively.
Yeah, that's about koala right now. We're talking about koala and its pairs. What do you know about pairs, guys? Remember everything. I like the music. Oh, two right answers?
Correct answers, yes.
Correct answers, but most people didn't know it. Oh, guy, you're making me so embarrassed right now. So I'm so embarrassed. Mr. Embarrassed.
How many languages are supported by Koala?
Oh, that's. But yeah.
20, 42, more than 42.
I remember that it was something about.
Yes,
42.
42 are way too many.
42 is not the answer to this one, you see? It's not always the answer. Yeah. I think we got the leader, but
Yeah, but it's not the end,
yeah, it's not the end. Oh, okay. Most people remember that.
Third place is quite tough. Very cool. Is that the same person, the Alex and Alex with the double X?
Yeah, he's using two smartphones.
Yeah, probably. You can
Who
use
is?
them around.
I'm looking at you. Who is using
Which
two
of the syntax
smartphones?
is correct and newest from Kafka?
Oh. Oh. Oh, most of people use
Most of
it.
the people.
Yeah.
There is Leader is obvious, but around the third place.
Yeah, we
it's
still
like
have
fierce.
something to decide there, yeah?
Which of these is a synchronous version of HTTP server? Oh.
Okay, come on. I think someone was trolling.
Around the third place, it's still really fierce.
And we don't know.
So maybe the last question is going to decide. How does async IO can fake parallelism?
You didn't, you knew it. Yeah, okay. You're honest. Okay, thank you.
We got the first three, but first I would like to invite those 4th to 10th. You should have your number in your mobile phones to come here on stage and to get these awards of €10.
Number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Please come on stage. Okay. Okay, so there should be 7 of you, so I see. Okay, we see. Yes, come on, come on. So, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6?
Yes.
It's 6. One more. Who is one more? One more. Who is 4 to 10?
Yes.
I don't know what exact number, but 4 to 10. Is there someone? Hello? Sorry, no kiwis for you today. Okay, I guess someone is shy, but.
Big applause for these guys and girls.
Yep, thank you.
Big applause for the first one. And the third. The third. And the third one. What? Yes. And the third one. Big applause for the third one.
Mr. Tank. Yeah? Oh no, Mr. M2. Yeah, sorry. Mr. M2. Woo! Now, Mr. Tank. You have me? Oh, Mr. We can see, like, Mr. Tank. Really? Yeah. Okay, congrats. Yeah, I'm really curious to know who is M. Burst. Like, who is this superhero? Yeah. Woo! Oh! Happy yeah. Great. So,
Good job.
yeah. Travel guy. He knows the best. He knows the best. Okay, thank you.
So thank you a lot for being here today and listening to all these talks and having all these activities about kiwi.com. We still have a lot of beer. There's plenty of pizza over there, so please help us with the pizza and beer. We don't want to, keep it here. And if you have any questions, talk to us around the pizza and around the beer, and hopefully see you sometime again. So,
yeah, thank you guys. Thank you. See you at Moscow Python Meetups soon. And yeah, have some beers.